Hi everybody, this is Michelle with Creative Operation. I'm back today with another unboxing video that I wanted to share with you. This is from Your Creative Studio. Amanda sent me another box and it's, I think, going to be amazing. I haven't looked at it yet, so we're all going to see it all at the same time. And this is the July box that is a flower themed, so I'm really excited to see what it looks like. Again, this is from Your Creative Studio. I'll put a link in the description down below so that you can see the link and go to it and check it out. But this is going to be really fun. I've done 2 of these unboxings and I used the products on journals that I had already created. I just hadn't finished. This one I'm going to use an entirely new project on, and I'll do a full-blown tutorial, and that will be coming soon. So, but I wanted to do the kind of unveiling of the beautiful things I'm going to get to play with, and then I'll be back with a tutorial. So again, this is from Your Creative Studio. When you open up the box, it's just beautifully wrapped. I love this paper. You could totally save this and use this in your projects. She has a beautiful card here that thanks you for your purchase, and then on the back is a beautiful piece. And I have used these in the journals because they have a beautiful quote on it. The pattern is beautiful, so I'm excited about that. So let's kind of pop this out and get rid of the box here, and let's see. Ooh, it's already coming out. So here's what we're gonna do. Let's see if I can get this off. I try to save it. Maybe I'll just pull these out and save it that way. Okay, now let's go through and see what we have. Okay, so this first piece here, this looks like it's going to be ephemera. Let me grab something so I can open this box up. Always beautiful images. It says retro light on the front. Time flies, I always miss you. Designed by Miss Time. That's what it says down below. And I need to cut the plastic a little bit better so I can get into it. And let's see what we have in here. Let me put this over here. Okay. Oh, beautiful. So, awesome. So transparent papers, beautiful vintage. Let me do this so you can see. So you get a couple of each one. That beautiful dictionary paper. There's a map. These are nice transparent papers. I love the whole vintage vibe on this one. So you have newspapers here. Here's some paper here. So these are paper ephemera pieces with the beautiful ads. I love the ads. I wish I spoke French so I could read them. I might have to see if I can figure out how to translate it. And then you have all these little square pieces too with little images. There's little, just gorgeous. Look at all the little images here. Super cute. These look like, here, they have kind of a plastic back. Maybe they're washi stickers. That very well could be. I think they are. Yep, they are. They're washi stickers. So these little guys are washi stickers. So that's awesome. I love that. Look at all the different ones you get. There's a ton of them in here. And look at all these little images. How nice is that? Little postcards. Oh, these are cute. True beauty in a woman is reflected in her soul. I love that. This is going to make a nice book. A nice junk journal. So if you're into junk journaling, into any kind of journaling, not just junk journaling. I have a hard time calling them junk journals because, oh, look there's a Christmas one in there. The most wonderful time of the year, satisfaction guaranteed. Yeah, I have a hard time calling them junk journals because they turn out just so beautiful with all the beautiful things that you can put in them. But there's a whole ton of images in here. That's nice. I like that. So, that's going to be nice. But if you're into that, into, your planning, any kind of thing like that, card making, scrapbooking, all of that, these things are amazing in these things. I just tend to, I guess, use them in my, like, quote-unquote junk journals because, they are more vintage than anything else. Let's see. Oh, we have a cling stamp here. Let's see if I can open this up. I'm going to try and do it so I can save the envelope because I really like to save the envelopes. And these images, oh, these are cute. These are floral images. So again, the floral theme. So I hope you can see that. Those are gorgeous. So cling rubber stamps. And the rubber stamps that I have used from previous kits, they have amazing images. They just work really, really beautifully. So I'm super excited about that. Not much of a stamper, but they do gorgeous work. So here's another cling stamp here. Let's take a peek at that one. Oh, that's a beautiful image. I hope you can see that. And look at the detail in the actual rubber stamp itself. It's going to be a beautiful, beautiful stamp here. Hope you can see that really well. So that's pretty exciting. And then, like I said, I use these envelopes in my last two projects too. So there we go. Okay, this one says it's washi masking tape. So let's see if I can open that super careful. And open this. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. This really nice, pretty floral washi tape. That's absolutely gorgeous. That's going to look pretty in the journal, that's for sure. It's going to look really pretty in the journal. I'm excited to create another one. I also need to dig out my papers and do some more tea dyeing because I'm out of tea dyed papers. So I need to do that as well. Here's paper ephemera. So let's open this up and take a gander at what's in here. I love these paper ephemera pieces. These are awesome. So lots of florals. We have some banners. Can you see all of these? Look at the images. They're just gorgeous. And they're very nice paper. They're not too thick. They're not too thin. I love the colors. The colors are really great with the reds and the yellows. Just beautiful. There's a couple tags. Some circles here. So this would be fun. Fun to put on your projects. These would be, oh, leaves. We've got leaves here. Couple different ones. Just gorgeous. So pretty. These are going to look great. Look at this one. This one's giant. But look at, oh, it's got a little butterfly, little snail in there with the flowers. Super pretty. So these are the paper ephemera that come in the kit. There's a whole bunch of them. I just love that. I'm going to stick these off to the side here. Let's grab the next piece. So we have paper ephemera pages as well. So let's open this up and see what we have in here. So we have all of these paper pieces. So again, we have some that are translucent like vellum paper. And then this size here is a nice little size. There's transparencies in there too. So look at how pretty those are. I used these in my last album and ripped them and used them as corner edge pieces and stuff like that. You could back these on cardstock and create tags for your photo albums. That would work out really good. And then you have some larger images here as well. So we'll go through those. Oh my gosh, look how pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. Another vellum piece. I love the colors. The colors are gorgeous. They're just absolutely beautiful. Very summery, which would explain the, you know, the July box, right? Very summery. I like that. That's going to make a beautiful, beautiful piece. Look at this. This is one where you could do, if you're into lettering, you could do some lettering through that middle portion there. I'm not really good at that, so I might have to find something to put in there and layer over the top of that, but I need to learn. Look how pretty these are. They're gorgeous. So you get paper and you get a vellum piece in that particular pattern. And there's a ton of them in here. There is a ton. I mean, look how many you're getting in this little package. So there's that. What's this? This is retro labels. These look cute, called Travel. And I can get these out. Oh my gosh, look at these. These are cute. They're foil backed. There's all kinds of different little tags and labels. Let me see if I can spread a couple out for you. So you can see, it looks like you get a couple of each kind. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. These would be great in your journals. Great in your planners. These would fit in the little planner squares. If you didn't have anything going on, you could decorate your planner with them. I think that's really cool. Little tickets and all kinds of stuff. So, oh my gosh, there's a lot in here. There is a lot. Super cute. Oh, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. These are gorgeous. And a cute, oh, cute little train. Those are cute. I love those. So the retro labels, these are great. These look like, these are going to be fun to play with. And they are, I'm double checking to make sure. They are stickers. So they are stickers. That's awesome. Those are awesome. Those are super pretty. Put that off to the side here. In here, oh, you sure get a lot of stuff in this kit. I'm really amazed at how much you actually get in these kits. They're just awesome. Let me take this out. This is wrapped in a pretty vellum envelope, though. That's awesome. And then let's take these out. This says Autumn Orchid Fragrance is what it says on the front of the envelope. And more pieces of ephemera. Let's see, are they stickers? They feel like they might be, and they are. So they are. So you have these beautiful images. Let's go through those super fast. Well, not super fast, but look at the images. That's really pretty. This is the July, again, the July flower box. This is beautiful. With the butterflies. Looks like you get 2 of each of these. The roses. And again, everything just totally coordinates, which I think is gorgeous. Look at how pretty these are. Little postcards. Oh, I'm loving this. Absolutely loving this. So pretty. Look at that. Super pretty. Birds and butterflies and flowers. I mean, seriously. This is really gorgeous. Wow. Little pop of blue in that one with the butterfly. Very pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous. Wow. There was a ton of those. There's like 2 of each one. This is the rice paper. I'm not going to take it out of the package this time just because I had a hard time trying to get them back in there without ruining them. But can you see? And there's 4 of these in here. I've gotten this in every single box. Really pretty. I used this on the cover of one of my albums that I did. I'll link the videos below if you want to go back and see what I did with the other products from the other kits. This has come, some black and white transparent stickers have come in each of the kits. Beautiful floral image. That would be pretty. And then, oh, look at these. These are gorgeous. Stickers with the flowers. Can you see? Aren't those pretty? They look so real. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. And then last but not least, we have another paper pack. And let's open this up. Or actually, we got one more thing to do. So these are pages. Oh, look at this. We have some transparency here. And then we have these beautiful pages. These are very thin papers, but would be absolutely gorgeous to add. Look at the letter. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Oh, I love it. And if you look at the edges, they look like they've been torn and worn and just so nice. These are going to be fun to use. I'm really excited about that. Oh, how beautiful. Lots. You get tons in here. There's going to be a ton of stuff I can do with this. Okay, so there's that. And then this here, let me grab my knife again. So I'm going to create a new junk journal because I don't have one that's not made right now. So I'm going to have to make one. And I will be back and I'll show you how I'm going to incorporate all of this into that. So this is a ephemera pad here. And let me see here. Oh, they're all stamp images. Okay. Let's see here. And I believe these are washi stickers. They are. So they're washi stickers. And they're, whoop, it came out. They're all stamp images with florals. Oh my goodness. There's a ton of them in here. Wow. Those are beautiful. This is just a gorgeous kit, you guys. I am digging this. Look at that. We got butterflies and flowers and fruits and oh man, so pretty. So you get a whole tablet full of these washi tape retro stamps is what it's called on the front. So that is, that's amazing. Look how many you get. You get a ton. So pretty. Grapes. This is going to make a beautiful journal. Okay, you guys. So this, again, is from Your Creative Studio. Amanda, thank you so much for sending this to me. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the washi stamps. We've got, you know, paper here. We have floral stickers, 2 different kinds. We have our rice paper here with the beautiful dragonflies and the flowers and everything. You'll get all kinds of different kinds of paper ephemera and stickers. These little labels, these little travel labels. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. The paper here, the paper ephemera, you can make amazing journaling cards with all, I mean, look how many you get. This is crazy. You could do that. We also have a whole bunch of floral pieces that are paper ephemera, and they're beautiful, just beautiful, and a ton. You can see, you get just like a ton, and you get 2 of each, which is really cool. So I also ended up getting washi tape. Look at that beautiful washi tape. I got several stamps in this kit, right? And then I also got this box full of all kinds of vintage ephemera pieces and washi stickers. I mean, seriously, this is crazy cool. All of this in this kit. So please go check it out, and I'll be back soon with a tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.